Hey guys, this is Mr. Olshan. I'm making a screencast because we've had a lot of teachers asking us about adding captions to screencast videos that they're giving to their classes, especially so that they can accommodate students who are deaf and hard of hearing. And there's a lot of tutorials out there that have several complicated steps, but I came up with this hack that I thought was going to be probably one of the easiest ways to do it. So what I'm doing right now is I've basically opened my own Google Meet and I'm in the room by myself, and I turned on captions in the lower right hand corner. Now this works great when you're in a live group with your kids. They'll see the captions up on the screen, but if you want to create a tutorial video like the one I'm doing right now, what I've done is I've actually opened up QuickTime and I went to File, New Screen Recording, and then next to your record button there's a drop down menu where you're going to select internal microphone. And you can actually pick a segment of the screen. So I just chose the place where you're watching me right now, as well as the section where the captions are appearing. And I selected that area and I hit start recording. So now I'll have a video that I can save to my Google Drive and I can post in my Google Classroom, and it's got captions, as you can see below. But I think this is probably one of the easiest hacks that you can do if you'd like to record a video that has captions included with it. Hope everybody's doing well. Take care.